Little frogs by the lake so blue, sitting on a wooden log, waiting their turn to do. Green, red, yellow, pink and blue. Let's dive high! 1, 2, woo! One green frog climbed up high, looked down at the sparkling sky.
It's green color.
Twist and turn, spin around, splash! In the water he went down. Judges lift their cards so slow. 3 points! Go, go, go! 2 red frogs, strong and bold. Jump so brave, so cool, so gold. Tuck so tight, knees to chest. Flip, 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 he did his best. Judges
Oh,
smile and give
red
some
color.
more. 4 points! Hear the crowd roar! 3 yellow
Whoa,
frogs,
what a splash!
feeling great. Oops, he flipped a little late. Belly flop, splat, oh no! Water splashed up high in a row.
It's yellow color.
Judges giggle, hold up 1 point, but we still had fun.
Look at you!
So funny!
Hola, you guys.
Welcome back.
Twisting dive with sparkle light. Lay out, tuck, spin with flair. Glitter dancing in the air.
It's pink color.
Judges jump and shout alive. 4 points! High five! 5 blue frog, calm and cool. Climb the ladder like a pro at school. Tuck so tight, fast and neat. Power flip from head to feet. Massive splash. Flip
What a perfect day.
slide.
Whoa!
Twist,
Wait, what's
clean
happening?
dive.
Oof, made it.
It's blue color.
So